guys, it's Ella. Welcome back to the channel. And guess what I got super early this month? Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate. If you want to hear all about my early April Glam Bag Ultimate, just keep on watching. By the way, guys, that is my Puffalump. He will probably be making an appearance in a video soon. So if you hear him in the background, ignore it. We're all in quarantine. You all understand. Okay, let's get started. Welcome back to the channel. So I got something kind of fun in the mail today, my Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate, which is kind of funny because my Plus and my regular box haven't even shipped yet. So I was super excited to get this early. So thank you, Ipsy, for giving me content ahead of everybody else. It's really appreciated. I wanted to check in with you guys. How is everybody? How is everybody enjoying quarantine and COVID life? I know that I am going crazy. I am still super busy. I've got a ton of jobs I've been doing, people's signage, different graphic projects, plus I've been doing photography. I've got a couple of new collabs coming up. I got these awesome bracelets from a friend of mine and I'm absolutely loving them. You'll see that in the blog soon. So I just want to check in with you guys. Comment down below. How are you guys doing? Are we all doing okay? Because I think everybody's mental health is going to be in question by the end of this. I did promise you guys on my blog lifestyle.ella that I would give you guys some funny stories. So I'll tell you one of the first ones. Come here, teddy bear. My dog isn't here with me, so I apologize. He's clunking around. So I've got two dogs. I've got a Newfie and I've got a Newfie Poo. The Newfie is still a puppy. I haven't quite released him out into the world of the internet yet, but I will shortly. But he's rather big already. And the other day I literally walked into my bathroom. My Newfie had my Newfie Poo in the toilet bowl, like holding him down in the toilet bowl. It was the funniest and most disturbing thing I think I have ever seen. I apparently think, since my Newfie Poo always wants to go diving into the toilet bowl to drink water out of it, even though I keep telling him to make him stop, and he's got like 5 water bowls around the house, he still wants that toilet bowl. So I guess the Newf decided to go jump on top and get some too, and he literally was holding him down in there. It was hysterical. I guess he had been there, but it was pretty funny. So that was one of my funny things. And one of my surprising happy moments was this box. So let's get on into it. So Ipsy has 3 tiers of subscription boxes. They have the Glam Bag, which is $12 a month, or $10 if you purchase the whole year in advance. Glam Bag Plus, which is $25, and you get 5 full size, and you've got this thing, and it's like 12 or 13 items, like 8 of them, including the bag, is the full size, and you get like 4 samples, and that's $50 a month. And this is kind of pricey, and Ipsy's been having a hard time of it lately, but I gotta say, this box kind of blew my mind. So this month is full blue, and we did get our little accordion thingy in the mail with it, and it has prices. How awesome is that? So I can actually, speak intelligibly. So, all right, let's get into the products in here, and I'm going to start on this side, and I'll do it along with this. I also want to talk about the bag this month that we got, and this bag is super cute. All 3 of them are like this floral kind of pattern, but I really, really like this one. I like the color of it, this like off ivory with the, light peach accents. And these little circles are really, really cute. And I like it better even when it's like closed up. But this is super cute. And I don't know that I'll get use out of it because I've got 10,000 bags in my life. But you know what? I feel like I want to get use of this. Like this needs to have a purpose in my life. And I think the first product is actually the most interesting. And that's because it's Kenzie Life Beat. And why would that make it interesting? Because it's a perfume. I remember reading somewhere online that you can't ship perfumes in the mail, but they certainly did. Don't know why you couldn't, and I know that Boxycharm has said they couldn't do perfumes because of that, and I'm kind of curious to see if this is a new thing that you can do now, and if so, I guess Boxycharm's going to start sending us some fragrances. I have not heard of this brand. Kenzie is actually a deluxe sample, so this is considered a sample. It's actually kind of huge for being a sample. It doesn't have a price because it is a sample, and it's supposed to be a blend of citrus, coconut, peach, jasmine, and magnolia. Let's see. It's not bad. It doesn't lend itself to citrusy at all. It's more of like that magnolia, but it's not bad, and I think the bottle's pretty cute. So first product, I'm not upset, and I'm actually, like I said, pretty curious that they sent out a perfume. All right, so the next item that we got was from Libido. And this is a 2-in-1 purifying facial mask and exfoliator. This does go for $36. And I was actually pretty surprised when I started reading this, how good it sounded. I'm going to tell you guys what it says. It says, don't let dead skin cells dull your shine this spring. Add this 2-in-1 exfoliating cleanser mask to your routine and get ready to glow like crazy. It's packed with plant-based ingredients to increase cellular takeover, nix clogged pores and breakouts, and smooth the look of fine lines too. So it does a lot. And what I like about these is they are exfoliators that kind of double as masks. So you can actually use these to clean your makeup off and exfoliate in the same step. So I really kind of like this one. I'm pretty happy with it. So that was another good product that we got. All right, moving right along. We got from Pure Heals a Propolis Softening Toner. I can speak. Propolis Softening Toner. And this is a deluxe sample. And this looks interesting because I've not seen a yellow toner. It does have a pretty toner-like smell, and I always like getting toners. Toners are always great to get, so you know what? I'm not unhappy with that either, especially as another deluxe sample. Our samples are really, really, really good this month, so kudos. All right, next we got from Balance Me. This is more of that 2B sample kind of size I'm used to, and this is an eye cream. I have not heard of this brand, but I am excited to try a new eye cream. I am never going to be against eye creams. Eye creams are always amazing to get, so that's good. And by the way, guys, with eye creams, even at a sample this big will last you quite a long time. All right, for our next sample, we got from Verb the Ghost Hair Mask. I don't know what a ghost hair mask would be. I know they make a ghost oil, and this is supposed to be weightless. It softens, it restores. It's deep conditioning. This is a hair mask, and I know I've told you guys on my blog before that my favorite is from Grace and Stella. It's their Rescue My Hair. It is amazing. So I will try this little guy out and see if it's any good or not, but we'll get back to that. But I am excited to try it. I always like getting hair masks. I definitely put them on the ends of my hair pretty much every time I wash and condition my hair because when you wear extensions, your extensions tend to get dead. And by the way, I did chop a whole bunch of my hair off. If you guys haven't noticed, I got bored one night, you know, COVID life. All right, moving on. We got from Dr. Oakham's. Never heard of this brand either, but this is a Chica Peptide Cream. And it says it has no mineral oils, no animal origin ingredients, so it's vegan, no synthetic fragrances and dyes, so it's good for you skincare, and this is for wrinkles and sagging skin. Well, I don't have a ton of wrinkles and sagging skin. My big issue is a little bit of texture on my cheeks and my veins under my eyes. You know what? I'm not against it. I can always work on this area, you know, as we all sit around and eat ourselves into oblivion and watch TV. By the way, I got to ask you guys, what are you guys watching on TV? Comment down below because I am running out of stuff. I am really recycling shows. I'm watching The Walking Dead again, and the more I watch The Walking Dead, the more I get really scared about what's going on right now because I see so many similarities. I did watch The Tiger King. I didn't think that was bad. I've watched House a lot lately. Now, who else thinks that Hugh Laurie should seriously just show up to every hospital in America, pop some bikes in, and walk around and make everybody feel better? I personally do. I've also been watching Donald Trump and his news briefings, and I gotta ask, guys, has anybody started that game yet? Because I think we're gonna do it. It's a drinking game where every time he says everything is perfect and it's the best you've ever seen and somebody's doing a good job, you drink. Because if I hear it one more time, I'm telling you, one newscast, you will be lit for the rest of the night. Not to hate on him, but it's pretty bad when he says the same things over and over again. But I did hear that was a funny game going on. So, but if you guys know something better to watch on TV, comment down below because we're running out of stuff to watch. All right, back to our review. Sorry, I had to get that one in there. All right, so next we got from Real Her. I have gotten this brand before. I've gotten a lipstick from this brand before, and I've gotten one other thing. And this is the Ultimate Glow Getter Cheek Trio. And this looks like it's a blunger. What's a blunger? A blush, a bronzer, and a highlighter. And I really like the packaging. It's like a marble consistency, and it's hard plastic, which is always nice. And in here you can see we've got the three. The pan sizes are kind of on the small side. This is considered full size, and it's $28. But, I mean, you can get use out of them. I don't think this bronzer is going to be dark enough for me. And even though I'm super light-skinned, even this is too light for me. So, I don't know who this is quite made for. But the blush does look pretty, as does the highlighter. So, I'll try it for sure. I don't know what the quality will be like till I do. But until then, I'm not upset to get it. It's always good to have that. And I've noticed we've gotten, like, a full face of makeup in this box, which I really liked. Okay, so next, we got from Trestique this mini lip glaze set, and these seem to be like that kiss of color kind of a thing, and they got Shell Beach Sheer, Paris Pink, Georgia Peach, and English Rose, and the colors are pretty. They're like that lip crayon consistency, and they're little, they're like minis, but these are great for like when you're just wanting something quick on the lips or you want something to throw in your bag. So They're good. I don't have any scent to them, so I'm not upset with them. Do I think Trustique is the best brand that ever lived? No. Do I think I'll get some use out of them over the spring and summer? Yeah, they're a great thing to just throw on your lips and go. And again, we got a lip product now. We got our face stuff. We've got our skincare, so we're doing good with our full face. All right, so next we got a full size from Verso, which is a brand that I'm getting more and more acquainted with, and I like a lot of their stuff. This is a dark spot corrector. Guys, these are things inevitably as you age you will get. You get the little sunspots all over your face, and anything that gets rid of them, I am all for. This is $150. Yes, you heard me. This little bottle is $150. So I am all about this. I want to try it. It's 3 times the value of the box, so I am excited. All right, next we got from Yenza the CBD Superfood Dual Cleansing Oil. And this is kind of that first step in a 2-step process when you're going to cleanse. And this is an oil to remove makeup. I'm sure it'll be good. I don't really follow the CBD craze. If I want to smoke pot, I'll smoke pot. I haven't done it in years, and I did it last time, I think, in 2015. If you guys want to hear a funny story about that, I will tell you. I went to Colorado, bought it, whole thing. Anyway, so I'm not really for the CBD, but I will try this out, and it is a full size again, and this goes for $38. So again, the value on this box is like insanely good, is it not? So happy about that. But the next thing we got was from the Cottage Greenhouse, and this is one of those items I was really going back and forth to make my choice item. I ultimately went with the other thing, but I am super excited to get it. Even though this is for combination in dry skin, and I'm an oily skin girl, I still am so excited about this product. This is a orange blossom and honey mask. It's got pomegranate, ginseng, and orange peel in it. Guys, you are talking my language. I love everything that's like caramel, pistachio, citrus. Like those are my vibes. And this is like everything rolled into one. It smells so good. There's a lot in here, and this is $30 for this. And the packaging, I'm telling you, I'm just feeling like I want to just do some mock packaging tonight like this with different flowers and, you know, citrus and stuff on it, because I think this is just so pretty. Even the inside of the box, like I am just about this product. I really, really like it. So great job there with that one. And then the last thing we got is perhaps my favorite thing. It was my choice item, IBY. And I know, guys, they are not a bougie brand. I know I should be way more excited about a brand like Jeffree Star's or something like that, or Fenty, but I really like IBY shadows. Their City Limits palette is one of my most used palettes. I adore it. And this is another one from them. It is $25, and it's big. Let's see how many shadows. You got 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got 20 shadows in here. And this is like the most perfect spring pretty palette. This would go really great with the Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette too. Don't you guys think so? Like, for real. I think these colors are gorgeous. I did put a few on my hand earlier just to check them out. They are really, really pigmented, really, really pretty. And the shimmers, oh my god, they are pretty. And the thing I really like about IBY is they always have a good white. And look at that one, guys. Oh, so good. This dark purple is also like calling my name. Okay, that one was a little bit sketchy. Let's do it again. Okay. I wouldn't call it dark purple, but it is pretty. And I am super excited about this. And guys, like I said, you got like a full face of makeup with this box. So let's recap. What did $50 give us? We got this $25 eyeshadow palette, which I really like. We got a $38 cleansing oil. We got a $150 dark skin corrector. I mean, wow. This lip set is $48, which I think is way overpriced for this, but it is what it is. This little orange and honey face mask, which is $30, which I really, really like. This Ultimate Glow Getter Trio was $28, which is, I think, again, overpriced. We got this sample of perfume that is gigantic. We got this Libido Exfoliator, which is $36. Toner is a sample, but again, tons of toner in here. You get a lot of use out of that. We got a little eye cream to try out. We got a little hair mask to try out. And we've got a wrinkle cream to try out. And that's how we land. What did I think? I think this is an amazing value. I think we got lip, we got eyes, we got face, we got all kinds of skincare, so you won't need the foundation and all that. So you know what? I couldn't be happy with Ipsy. I gotta say, best box all year. maybe even to 2019. Like, this is what I want to see out of Ipsy. I don't mind that we get brands that are not quote unquote luxury Sephora brands, but I want to see stuff that I'm going to use and stuff that's different, and this delivered on everything. So I want to thank Ipsy for getting me my box early. If you guys think I did a good job, leave me a like, leave me a comment for the things I asked you to, please. Subscribe to the channel and come hang out with me again. I'm newer to the YouTube world, but I'm not new to blogging, and I've got my blog, Lifestyle.Ella, on Instagram, Lifestyle by Ella on Facebook, and check me out there as well, and I will see you guys in the next one. See you soon.